What's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be demoing a large Roman candle. This is by Sunwing Fireworks and it's called Billy's Big Blast. It is 78 shots and the performance is Big Loud Bang. I thought that was pretty cool, so I'm excited to see what this does. Hopefully it is what I think it is. But I got this over there at All American Fireworks in Bensalem, Pennsylvania. They have awesome stuff in stock, so make sure you go check them out. Yeah, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, like, and definitely comment in the comment section what you guys think about this. Would you guys get it? Would you not? So yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit.